See, I knew I'd be safe. I left that place not knowing where I'd seek shelter. Oh, it's a community center. Oh, so it's made for me. Ah, ha, ha. Ha, ha, ha. Ha, ha, ha. Hey, baby. How's it going? Baby. Oh. Wow. Konnichiwa. どうしたの? I mean, いってらっしゃい。行ってきます。Oh gosh, yeah, I got here just in time. Sugar bun. Look at all these people that wouldn't have picked me up. See, their cars. 99% of all my rides have been old cars. Yeah, pretty much. If it has a dent in it, it's more likely to pick you up. I don't know why this is. I think superficiality has a lot to do with inauthenticity. Yeah, that made a lot of sense. Isn't superficial like the definition of inauthentic? Maybe. God, can you imagine like being inauthentic as a survival mechanism? That's why most people are inauthentic, is because they're in survival mode, and I get this, but you know, there's more to life than just always being worried about where your food's gonna come from and shit. Just don't have fucking attachments. Don't have children. Why the fuck are you having children? Okay, so you wanted to have a lot of sex, and you forgot to be careful, and now you have a baby. Great. Do your best to make sure the baby's better than you instead of the opposite, which is, I don't know, not parenting, but like, you know, just going with the flow. And that flow is very toxic for children. You know, I'm talking about like the absence of the sacred masculine, or maybe the demonization rather. And by the time they see it, they don't know what to think. Holy cow. Oh, okay, I'm just ranting now. Mnemonics. Mnemonics? Mnemonics. Oh gosh, yeah, a bug flew into my eye. Is there any... It's totally red, isn't it? This eye. Bug flew in there. I have not felt it come out. There's a chance it did come out. But maybe it left a scar, and that's why it still feels bad when I touch it. Whatever. Regenerate. Generate. Yeah, this is gonna pass fairly shortly. But before that, I'm gonna end this. Okay, bye.